Do not install custom Windows ISOs. Now you must be thinking, I always promote custom ROMs on the Android. What's wrong with the Windows ISOs? And you'd be right. See, the Android custom ROMs are made from the piece of code that is readily available to the public. That means if someone misuses it or installs a malware, everybody can see it. That's also true in case of custom ROMs. The code is available publicly and anyone can check it. But this is not true for Windows ISOs. Now the Windows ISOs have a proprietary code which only engineers at Microsoft can see. Now, if a person picks a copy of Windows and installs a malware on it and it resells or relaunches it as a debloated Windows, then you will never know if it has a malware or not. Something like that happened with me too. One fine morning, my idiotic brain had an idea to install a custom Windows ISO Ghost Spectre. After I installed and tried to log in into my Google account using Chrome, it wouldn't log in. Chrome says that it has registered some suspicious activity. My idiotic brain still didn't get the signal and I logged in using Firefox. Later that evening, I got a notification on my Gmail that my account was logged in on a MacBook in Russia. And as you would have guessed, I was hacked. Before I could do anything significant like log out of all devices and change the password, the hacker took my Supercell ID and changed my email ID to his email ID. I had to delete that Supercell ID in order to protect my data. Well, I learned the hard way, but you don't have to. Please do not install any random Windows ISOs you find on the internet. If your computer is very old to handle full Windows version, then try Linux. It is also very good operating system with tons of choices and customizations. If you want me to make videos on Linux, then post it in the comment section. And on that note, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye now.